Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by parking level and shutting off the engine. Safety first. Unlock the car and check the driver's side controls for a fuel door release lever or button. Many C-Class models hide it inside the driver's door or use the central locking. Once you find the release, press or pull it briefly. Listen for the tiny click of the fuel door popping. If the release doesn't exist, walk to the passenger rear and try the exterior access. Now move to the door itself and open it. Once you've opened the fuel door, inspect the hinge and latch so nothing obstructs turning the cap. You then grip the cap and rotate counterclockwise. Mercedes C-Class caps typically unscrew with one full turn until it disengages. If it's a locking cap, use the key or central locking to unlock first. Make sure to hold the cap with your fingers on the knurled edge to avoid slipping. After removal, secure the cap by hanging it on the door hook or setting it on a clean surface. You insert the pump nozzle fully and refuel, avoiding overfilling to protect the evaporative control system. When done, replace the fuel cap by threading it clockwise. Make sure to turn until you hear 2 or 3 clicks or feel firm resistance. This confirms the seal. Close the fuel door, then lock the car. If the cap or door is stiff or stuck, unlock all doors, try again gently, and if it still fails, consult the owner manual or a technician to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.